there, traders! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that has been buzzing in the trading community: IQ option trading with resistance levels. But here's the twist: we're diving in with a full capital trade of $4,000. We all know the importance of resistance levels in the market, right? They can make or break a trade. Now, imagine combining that strategy with a full capital trade. It's a game changer. I can't wait to share some pro tips with you. But before we jump into the action, do me a quick favor: hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our valuable trading insights. Alright, let us start by breaking down resistance levels. Why are they crucial in trading? How can they help you make informed decisions? Stay tuned, because we're about to unveil the secrets. Now, let us head over to the IQ option platform. I'll walk you through the steps of setting up a trade with a substantial capital of $4,000. Buckle up, it's about to get interesting. Here comes the exciting part: executing the trade. I'll share some tips on how to maximize your profits and minimize risks. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. And there you have it, folks: IQ option trading with resistance levels and a full capital trade of $4,000. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. Don't forget to leave your comments below. What topics do you want us to cover next? Until then, happy trading, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye!